Hello everyone, this is Jag. In this video, I'm going to cover 10 herbs you can grow indoors on your kitchen counter. Now, I personally have 7 of these growing in my kitchen on my windowsill next to a window. Now, it's very important that you keep them next to a window because they do require sunlight at least 3 to 4 hours a day. All 7 of these herbs are doing absolutely amazing. And the rest 3 I either have growing outside or indoors in my pots. And I'll give you details on each one of these herbs. So let's get started.
Number 1. Dill. You can easily start dill from seed. In 1 to 2 weeks, the plants will start to emerge. The first set of leaves might not look like dill, but dill reclaims its signature shape of leaves after the second set of leaves. Dill leaves are very thin and look like fine threads. Dill is perfect for growing on kitchen countertop. Dill tastes like a combination of fennel, anise, and celery and makes a great addition to soups and roasted potatoes. Number 2. Thyme. Thyme is a perennial, however, it makes a great addition on kitchen countertop. Thyme is winter and frost hardy and grows outside very well. Seeds of thyme are difficult to germinate. The best way to grow thyme is from a cutting. Number 3. Oregano. Oregano does not cope with winters very well. However, it is very easy to grow oregano on kitchen countertop. Oregano can be grown from a cutting or from seed. Oregano has a very strong flavor, so use oregano in your cooking very carefully. Number 4. Sage. Sage can tolerate cold as low as 15 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 10 degrees Celsius. Sage makes a great indoor plant if you live in extreme hot or cold climate. Sage has a pine and citrusy flavor and is often used in combination with other herbs like thyme and rosemary. Number 5. Parsley. Parsley brightens flavors and add balance to savory dishes. Parsley can tolerate temperatures as low as 10 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 12 degrees Celsius. Parsley is best to grow from seed. Parsley is very handy in kitchen as it goes well with most of the dishes such as meat, eggs, potatoes, and most of the vegetables. Number 6. Cilantro. Also known as coriander, cilantro is probably the most popular herb and it is heavily used in Indian and Mexican cooking. Cilantro is best to grow from seed. You must split the seed in half before planting to make sure the seed germinates quickly. In just 1 week, cilantro starts growing. Cilantro planted in spring rushes to flower very quickly, so it's best to plant cilantro in fall, or you can always grow cilantro on your kitchen counter all year round. Number 7. Tarragon. Tarragon is winter hardy perennial and will tolerate frost very well. Tarragon can survive temperatures as low as negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 20 degrees Celsius. You can even grow this herb in Alaska and Norway. However, this herb also grows really well on your kitchen counter. Tarragon is used extensively in French cooking. Number 8. Basil. The amount of basil that I need in summers cannot be grown on kitchen countertop. I have a whole raised bed dedicated to growing basil. Basil, however, dies in winter. To keep basil alive, I bring basil inside during winter and then propagate basil using cuttings in the first week of spring. This way, I get a head start on my basil bed for the entire summer. Basil also grows very well from seed and it is very handy to have on your kitchen counter. Number 9. Mint. Mint is great for drinks and tea. Mint also grows very well from cutting or simply from root.
Mint will die back in winters and it will regrow in spring, and it grows like a weed as long as you water it. If you want to have access to mint leaves throughout the winter, bring it inside.
Number 10. Rosemary. Place a rosemary cutting in water. Rosemary grows roots very easily and you can then plant rosemary outdoors or indoors in pots.
Rosemary is really winter hardy. I don't grow rosemary indoors because I have it outside and it does really well throughout the winters. Rosemary handles winters really well unless your ground freezes up. If that's the case, bring it inside.
Rosemary leaves might look like needles, but up close they are in fact leaves.
I really hope you found this video informative and you'll grow lots of herbs right on your kitchen counter. And I'll see you in another video.